That's okay.
You getting it this time?
Oh, I got this. That's recording. Here we go.
It's warming up.
Here we go.
See, you think it's sketchier than it's going to be, but it's not that sketchy. The whole gas and the fire thing kind of makes you think it's going to be way sketchier. Yeah.
It's igniting.
Oh, it'll get to going, trust me. This is the way they usually do. That other one went quick. That other one went way faster than they usually go. Here we go. It's on. It's on. It's on. Get her, baby. Get her.
Where's the blade blade?
I hope somebody drives by and gets to see this shit. When it starts blue flaming.
Right now.
Well, it'll suck. It sucks out. There it goes. Now. Get ready, baby.
Oh my God, the house! Look.
Man, there's a couple.
Damn,
Couple embers landing on the house. Nothing more than a regular fire.
You get that on the camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's badass.